So hello my dear students. In earlier class you already learned about the multiplication of integers. The multiplication of integers in one positive integer and one negative integer. So for example, in earlier class you solved like this type of examples. Is it right? Or 4 into 4. Okay, like these type of examples means minus 2 is a negative integer and 4 is a positive integer. Is it right? So how it is solved? So take minus in the bracket, 2 into 4 is equal to 2 4s are 8. Okay, and minus sign do before the product means minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. Okay, this concept you learned. Okay, already you learned in earlier class, but in this class we have to discuss about the multiplication of two negative integers. See here, minus 3 multiple of minus 2. See here, can you find the product of minus 3 into minus 2? How it is? Just observe it. Okay, observe the following steps. Here I can take minus 3 into 4 first. Okay, minus 3 into 4. You can easily solve this. Minus 3 into 4. Is it right? So 3 4s are 12. So it becomes minus 12. Is it right? Next, here minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3. So here minus 3 is a 9. Is it right? So here is equal to minus 12 and plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3. Just observe this sequence. Okay, minus 12 plus 3 is equal to becomes minus 9. Is it right? 12 minus 3 9, and the greater sign and the greater number sign is minus. So we have to take here minus. Is it right? Next, minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus, take first minus sign, and 3 2s are 6. Is it right? Is equal to minus 9. Our previous product is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. See here, minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Okay, it is equal to this product. Is it right? Next, see here, minus 3 into 1 is equal to, take first minus because minus sign plus is minus. Is it right? 3 1s are 3 is equal to minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Is it right? Next, minus 3 into 4 3 2 1 after 1 0. So 3 into 0 0. Is it right? 0 is equal to minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 3 0. Is it right? 0. Next, here 4 3 2 1 0 after 0 minus 1. Right? So minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 3 1s are 3. Okay, so minus sign is there or not? Let's check. Okay, is equal to 0 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3. Is it right? So here 0 0 here 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So therefore the minus 3 into minus 1 product is plus 3. Is it right? 0 plus 3, 3. Next, see here. Minus 3, minus 1. After minus 1, minus 2 is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 is equal to here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So see here. Minus 3 into minus 2. Product is minus 3 into minus 2. Product is 6. Is it right? Minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6. So here the multiplication of two negative integers, if the product of two negative integers gives rise to one positive integer. Is it right? See here, in general, A and B are the any two positive integer, A and B. So here minus A into minus B is equal to A into B. Is it right? So the A into B, it is a one positive integer. Is it right? So the multiplication of any two negative integers product is always a positive integer. Is it clear? So now we have to solve more examples on this concept only. Okay. Okay, now we have to solve this example, okay, by using the previous observation table. See here, minus 3 into take any one positive integer, okay. 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Is it right? 6 and take minus sign for the product. Okay, this multiplication you already learned about in previous class. Is it right? Next, minus 3 into after 2 we have to write 1. Is it right? Next, 3 ones are 3, so minus 3. So is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 6 and minus 3. Minus 3 means how it is, see here, minus into minus 3a, okay, is equal to minus 6 minus into minus plus, so plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 3 same now? Yes. Next, minus 3 into 0 is equal to 3 into 0, 0. Is it right? Next, minus 3 into, let's check here, minus 3 and minus into minus 3. So plus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Next, minus 3 into after 0, 1. So minus 1. Here 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So here 3 also minus integer and 1 is also minus integer. So negative integer. Is it right? So is equal to 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So the product of minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Is it right? Next here minus 3 into minus 2. Okay. Is equal to 3 2s are 6. Is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then the product of minus 3 and minus 2 is 6. Now we have to find the product of minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, see here. The next step is same. Minus 3 into, after minus 2, minus 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Is it right? Is equal to 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Is it right? So the product of minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 9. Is it right? 9. Next, see another one example. Okay. Take another one example similar to this step. Okay. See, let's check. Minus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Next, minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3, is it right? Minus 3 is equal to minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Next, minus 3 into 0. After 1, 0. Is it right? So 3 into 0, it becomes 0. And here 0 minus 3 and plus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, minus 3 into, after 0, minus 1. Is it right? So is equal to 3. Next, here 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Next, minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 6. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next, minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to, see here, already we saw minus 3 into minus 3, 9. And here 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next, after minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to 12. Now it is here 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So our product is 12. Is it right? The product of minus 3 and minus 4 is 12. Is it right? So we shall stop here, and in the next class we have to solve more examples on this concept. Okay. So we shall stop here. Thank you.